Hi crafty friends, it's Toth and I am super excited that I am a part of the Fun Spring YouTube Hub. For this reason, I thought that I am going to show you something special. I decided to play with the oldie but goldie Chirpy Chirp Chirp stamp set by Fun. I hope you will enjoy this inspiration. In this hub there is a giveaway too, and I will talk about it later in my video. As always, the used supplies are below in the description box. I started the card making with stamping with my Misty and my beloved Fun Jet Black ink pad. While I am stamping, I am going to show you on the right side which sets I have used. As I told, today I am showing you how these cute chicks became birds, precisely a Eurasian bluetit. These are really sweet and cute birds, and I really love to watch them in the winter and spring. Because the spring is here, I will put these birds to Sakura tree, what I will create with the branches and leaves from Bug Deal stamp set, and I will add some bugs as well. The Sakura tree needs flowers too, so I searched for them in my stash and I picked the small florals from the Stinkin kit, and I love Youcalyptus small sets. When the stamping was done, I started to create the Eurasian bluetits. First, I draw the lines with pencil. I am not a good drawer, but I really wanted to make one bird with bigger wings. Once my simple sketch was done, I picked a black pen. For the Fun images, I think the best choice is an 05 fineliner pen. There are so many different pens in the market, but I'm going to use the black writer from scrapbook.com because it is the blackest black for me. I really like that it's permanent, Copic friendly and waterproof as well. I am going through the pencil sketch with my black pen. Once I am done, I am giving a heat set for all the images. I always do this because it will prevent the ink smearing. Once the heating was done, I started the coloring process. Today in my coloring I am going to focus on the birds, because I know that there are lots of amazing inspirations to watch in the Fun Spring YouTube Hub, and I just wanted to save you a little time. I know that you like when I am not speeding up the coloring process, so I hope you will enjoy it. As always, I will show the caps of the markers in the upper left corner so you can see currently which color I am using. As I told you, there is a giveaway too. You can win one $25 value gift certificate to Scrapbook Bell online store. One lucky winner will be chosen from all the comments from the hub, so be sure to check it out and comment on the other videos in the hub. We will share the lucky winner on 5th of June on our social media platforms. This giveaway is open for US and Canadian residents only, but if you are international, don't worry. I will have giveaways soon here on my channel and my Instagram as well, and it will be opened worldwide. Feel free to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. If you are interested how I color the leaves and the branches, feel free to check my Light Up Your Card video, where I am coloring leaves and branches in real time. I will link this video on the end screen. Now I am turning on a little music, but I will be back soon. you have enjoyed the coloring. Now it's time to create the card base and the background. To the background, I decided to make a nice blue gradient sky with Distress Oxide inks. I have used the Blueprint Sketch, Salty Ocean and Tumbled Glass Distress Oxides on a Nina Solar White cardstock. Once it was ready, I adhered it to my card base. Next, I ran the Lamb Fundamentals heavyweight cardstock in Gold Rush color with reverse scalloped rectangle windows through my die cut machine. I picked the second largest one. Look at this sandy beach color with those shiny golden splatters. I am in love and I think this cardstock is perfect for windows and backgrounds as well. I wanted to add more dimension to my card, so I adhered the die cut to the card base with 3D foam strips and put my card together. In the end, I added a happy birthday sentiment to the card. And my card is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Consider subscribing and ring the bell to don't miss my next video tutorials. Thanks for stopping by. Have an amazing day. Bye!